the toffee is really melted into the butter there, and we'll pour over now. Looks a bit like caramel. Put the toffee into a pan and put the heat on really low. I'm going to add a knob of, well, probably 2 knobs of butter there, just to make it a bit runnier and nicer. Butter helps everything. Getting that nice and melted. So we can just see that the toffee and the butter have all melted. And just get to up to a point where we can pour. While that's just melting, I'll pop the popcorn into a tray, trying to get one layer really, so that when I pour the toffee it goes to all of the popcorn there. So we're just going to chop our walnuts ready to put onto the toffee and the popcorn. So the toffee is really melted into the butter there, and we'll pour over now. Looks a bit like caramel. Pouring over. There's going to be a few lucky people that get the big blobs there. I'll have to make sure that's me. That's enough toffee there, so we'll pour some of the walnuts. I think this recipe will work on with pretty much any nuts. Try it with different ones. If you want salted peanuts, might be good with the background of the toffee, the sweet and the salt. I think we've had that before and it's been nice. And if you just leave this to the side, just to get all nice and dry and harden up, then we can enjoy that again. So it's a great way of reinventing yesterday's snack.